Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Salesforce and Jira. So the use case here is, whenever a new task is created in Salesforce, automatically create issue in Jira. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Salesforce is a CRM platform, whereas Jira helps you to track issues and bugs related to your software and mobile applications. The issue here is that Salesforce and Jira don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration application which helps us to transfer data from Salesforce to Jira software. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google. And now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'll give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Salesforce to Jira. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate two software applications, Salesforce and Jira. So now here in choose app, first I am going to choose Salesforce. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new task is created in Salesforce, we want to create an issue in Jira. That is why new task here will be our trigger event. So I'll choose it. Okay, so now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new task is created in Salesforce, we want to create an issue in Jira. That is why new task in Salesforce will be our trigger event, whereas creating an issue in Jira will be our action event. So now I'm going to click on Connect with Salesforce. Okay, so now under credentials, you can see we have two options. Either you can create new credential by connecting with Salesforce, or if you want, you can also select any existing credentials like this. So now I am going to let it be new credentials and I'm going to click on Connect with Salesforce. Okay, so now I'm just going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now I am just going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so now this API response is of the last task that was created in Salesforce. Now because we are using polling method over here, that is why it has captured the information of our last task. So now I'm going to go to my Salesforce account and I'm going to create a new task, and then we are going to capture the data. So I'll go to my Salesforce account and I'll go to my contacts, and you can choose any of the contact from here. So I'll just choose this Fiona Clow and I'm going to assign a new task. So subject is going to be integration regarding Salesforce and Jira. Due date, so let me keep the due date as 28th of January. Name, okay, contact, find Fiona Clow. Related to opportunity, so you can just select anything from here. I'll just select it. Solution, fine. Assign to, okay. Status not started. If you want, you can just select. I'll just put it in progress. Okay. Create. Okay, so you can see I have created a task for Fiona Clow. You can see integration regarding Salesforce and Jira, and you can see all the details over here. So now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, let us see if we have all the details. Okay, you can see attributes type is task. You can see the subject. I'll just extend it. Okay, integration regarding Salesforce and Jira. You can see the activity date. You can see the status, the priority, owner IDs here. Okay, created date, last modified date. Okay, fine. Let us come down. Okay, I'll just click on save now. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Jira and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on this plus button and here I am going to choose Jira. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new task is created in Salesforce, we want to create issue in Jira software. That is why create issue will be our action event. You can see we have 3 more options. If you want, you can choose any other option according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on create issue because this is our action event. So now I'm going to click on connect with Jira software. Okay. So now under credentials, you have 2 options. Either you can create new credential or you can select any existing credentials. So I am going to just click on new credentials because here I don't have any existing credentials. Now I'm going to click on connect with Jira software. Okay, so I'm just going to accept this. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So now here we have some fields over here and we have to fill the information according to our response. So we have to just map these details. So I'll just come down. First is project. So in my Jira account, you can see I have these 3 projects that are already created. Now you can select any one of the projects. So I am going to choose Pabbly 2. So I am just going to let it be Pabbly 2. Okay, so the base URL has already been mapped. You don't have to put it again. Issue type. So here you can see we have so many issue types over here. You can just select whichever. So I am just going to let it be task. Okay, now summary. So here I am just going to map the subject, that is integration regarding Salesforce and Jira. Description, integration. Priority, you can just keep it as medium or you can just choose according to you. Assignee, you can see I have 2 options. I'll let it be Pabbly apps. Save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now let us go back to our Jira software and check if a new issue is created there or not. So I'll go to my Jira account. Okay, so I'll click on issues. So you can see we have our issue over here, integration regarding Salesforce and Jira. You can see the description is integration. Okay. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Salesforce account and I'm going to add one more task. So let me just add one more task over here. Subject is going to be regarding integration. Due date, I'll choose due date as 31st. Name, fine, assigned to, not started, create. Okay, so you can see we have created one more task over here. So now let us go back to Jira software and check if a new issue is created there or not. So I'll go to my Jira software. I'm just going to refresh this page once. Okay, so you can see we have created a new issue over here, task regarding integration, and you can see the description is integration over here. And if you come here, you can see the priority is medium. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now this response might take some time like 5 to 10 minutes, but you'll surely get your issue created here in Jira software. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first information came from Salesforce to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Jira software. So now every time a new task is created in Salesforce, automatically new issue will be created in Jira software. So we have successfully finished the integration of Salesforce and Jira software using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these 2 software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any query, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.